Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you another great strategy that works with a 3-minute expiration time. This is an effective strategy I used back when I was learning and trading on financial markets. So let's take a look. I've already found an entry point and entered the trade. Let's wait for this expiration to finish, and then I'll show you the exact parameters you need and how to find strong entry points. In this particular situation, I'm working with a divergence from the RSI indicator. Let's see how the trade closes. All right, guys, for this strategy, we only need 2 indicators. Head over to the Indicators tab. The first one we select is RSI, and the second one is Fractals. For the Fractal indicator, we set the period to 3 and hit Save. As for the RSI, we set the period to 8, make the main line 2 pixels thick, choose a purple color, save it, and the strategy is ready to go. From here, I can start analyzing the market on the M5 timeframe, and then switch to M1 to look for a more precise entry points. Let's start with the Forex currency pair Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. What I like here is the fractal formed at the bottom, and we've also got a bit of divergence. So I'm entering a buy trade. It's slightly counter trend, so for me, the key is having enough expiration time. Let's see how this one closes. So far, everything looks good. One minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now, let's get back to the video. Unfortunately, the price pulled into a corrective move and the trade doesn't close in profit. Looks like it would have been better to open this one for 5 minutes or even 10. As we can see, 3 minutes just wasn't enough. All right, moving on. I'll place a recovery trade on the next asset. All right, guys, I found something here. The currency pair euro versus Swiss franc. On the higher time frame, the trend is clearly downward, which is great. It means we can look for sell entries. On the 1 minute time frame, we also see a bearish structure. RSI is moving into the oversold zone, and we've got a bullish fractal. All the rules are lining up. So here, I'll be expecting a break of the previous low. Let's see if I'm right about this setup. The trade closes in profit and brings in a nice return. Awesome. The recovery trade worked out beautifully. The whole setup played out just the way it should, and now I can move on and show you more precise entry points using this strategy. The key thing, guys, as always, is to trade with the trend. And ideally, look for divergences on the RSI indicator. That's where the strongest confirmations come from. Everything else depends on your screen time and how much practice you're willing to invest into mastering this strategy. All right, let's keep going and move on to the next setup. Yeah, I can see there aren't many setups on the market right now, but there are still a few worth looking at. Let's take a closer look at the currency pair Swiss franc versus Norwegian krone. I'm already spotting a fractal here, plus the RSI, and we've got a solid downward trend. So I can go in for a sell. The RSI is sitting around the mid-range, which is perfectly fine in this specific setup. The main rule in situations like this is simple. Stick to the trend, guys. I'm switching to the lower time frame now, and let's see how this setup plays out. Oh, wow. I couldn't have timed this one better. Literally by a second, and I'm locking in a profit. It's not the cleanest setup of this whole trading session, but the profit is the same, so I'll take it and move on to look for the next opportunity. You see, guys, situations like this can be pretty ambiguous, but they can still be traded. Keep that in mind. Let's try to work another setup on the Forex market, this time with the currency pair Euro versus Canadian dollar. The setup looks interesting, and we've also got a clear divergence, so I entered a buy trade. There's a bullish fractal as well, but I'm ignoring it since I trust the divergence more, and we're sitting near the lows, which means a decent correction could follow. I'm entering with a 3-minute expiration. Let's see if that's enough for this scenario to play out. This strategy works well both on the OTC market and Forex. The key is choosing the right expiration time. Now, this is the kind of trade I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'd love to see all the time. But hey, it's the market and things can change in a heartbeat. Guys, this strategy is genuinely solid. I really recommend giving it a try and trading with this approach. Take it, use it, make it yours. I'm wishing you amazing profits, and I'm locking in the gains from today's trading session. See you soon. Take care, everyone.